Welcome to our channel Blender Tips. In this tutorial, you will learn that how we can create this beautiful shader by using Node Editor. By using Mix Shader to Emission Shader, Color Ramp and Noise Texture, we can create these beautiful textures and also change the shader of these beautiful textures by using Node Editor. So how we can create? Let's start our video. Open the Blender, select all and delete everything. Press Shift A to add a text, and in text properties select center, and in geometry extrude as you want, and also add some bevel, and here add some spacing. Now enter into the edit mode. Here I type Blender tips. Nice. Back to the object mode, and now open the shader editor, and here select new material, delete principal BSDF, and here I add mix shader, and connect this with surface. Here I add two emission shader, press Shift D to duplicate, and connect with the mix shader. Now I add color ramp, and connect with this color. Also in shading viewport and invert, decrease this, and also set this option blue. Nice. Now add a noise texture, and press Ctrl T if you enable Node Wrangler add-on, and connect this with, and this factor connect with mix shader, and this color with this. Here you find some details, add another, and here I choose pure RGB color, red, select this, green, and for this blue. Beautiful. And now you scale the texture as you want. Here are the sharp edges, and you can make it from linear to B spline. Nice. And in emission shader you can bloom it. Beautiful. So in this way, by using Node Editor, you can easily create this beautiful material and textures. Thanks for watching.